Hi, parents. I know that you're frustrated. I know that you're tired. I know that virtual school is not an easy task. And I'm having a lot of parents that are really confused as to where to find things. And I want to send out this video on the hopes that maybe it will help someone. If you already know all this stuff, then I'm sorry I wasted your time. But if you have no idea or you're not entirely sure how to navigate Schoology and PowerSchool in order to find out new information, please take a few minutes with me today, and I'm going to kind of try to walk you through it the best I can. So the biggest issue is, when should my child be on Zoom? And there is an easy way to tell that in every class. So if you go into the weekly folder for every teacher, at the top we have this thing right here that says checklist. When you click on that checklist, it will tell you what days you have a Zoom class. All right, so it says, yes, you have Zoom, or no, you have Zoom. Some of us also, for each day, we have it listed whether or not you need to join Zoom. So it'll tell you join Zoom at this time. All right, so if you ever need to know whether or not a child has Zoom class that day, check the checklist and check the daily folders, and that should help clarify that question. Now, let's say your student doesn't know whether or not, or doesn't know where to find a Zoom link. There's a Zoom link in our daily folders, and we also have a Lula schedule that looks like this. It tells you what period is at what time and your links for your Common Core classes. So hopefully that will help clarify. That means that if it's third period and they have geography with Mr. Godfrey, they can click on this Zoom link and it'll take you to his class. All right, so sometimes, as you can see, you're not going to have a Zoom class every day, but that doesn't mean you don't have an assignment. So hopefully taking a look at this checklist will give you a little bit of a clarification as to whether or not they need to be on Zoom and exactly what they need to be doing each day. All right, so let's talk about PowerSchool. A lot of us are confused about what in the world we're supposed to look at when we see PowerSchool. So if you see this little orange button, that means that it's missing. A 45 is as low as we grade. So if you see a 45, that's pretty much the equivalent to a 0. And if you see this little blue bubble, that means that we have a message that we've put on your student's grade. So if you click View, a little message will pop up and it'll say, assignment was done incorrectly, please resubmit. Or you might see test not submitted, find it in this folder, complete and submit. We try to make sure that you know exactly where to find stuff when it is missing. Okay? If you have any questions, comments, concerns, I really hope that this little video helped you get some clarification. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I really am here to help make their lives a little bit easier and yours. All right? So I'll catch y'all on the flip side, and thanks for your time.